Gating in flow cytometry is time-consuming and a major source of subjectivity. Here's how DataChaperone lets you train and deploy machine learning models to automate gating. We start with the model training workflow. First, we configure the training settings for a new model version. Here you can see the different versions of the model configuration, including which ones were approved or rejected. The configurator also highlights changes between versions, so it's always clear what was modified. You can easily create a new configuration version and update the gating strategy, for example by adding or removing gates. Once the configuration is ready, we can start training the model. For training, we define a few hyperparameters such as the number of training epochs and context events. Then we select the datasets for training and testing from our data lake. The model learns from labeled data, where the gates were defined by experts. A separate subset of the data is used for testing, so we can evaluate how well the model generalizes to new experiments. After training, the platform automatically generates evaluation results for each gate. In the visualization of the predictions, you can see where the model agrees with the manual gating and where it disagrees, helping scientists and data scientists assess model performance. In the MLflow environment, you can compare different training runs and review the performance metrics of multiple models. Once the best performing model is selected, it can be linked to a project configuration and approved for use. This configuration can then be used by scientists to automatically gate data from new experiments. Here they define a run name, select the project configuration, upload the FCS files, and start the prediction. You can view summary tables, scatter plots, and the predicted gating outcomes for each sample or any other output of your choice. Importantly, every result remains fully traceable. You can always see which model version was used, which configuration was applied, and which data was analyzed. This is how DataChaperone turns machine learning models into reliable production workflows for the lab.